Welcome to the Vector Academy. Let's get into Google Flutter mobile development course. Flutter is a cross-platform application development framework developed by Google. It uses the Dart programming language for its development needs. This course is going to be your guide to getting started on your cross-platform application development journey, by helping you understand the basic concepts of Flutter. Who this course is for? This course is intended for those who are interested in learning the basic concepts of Flutter and in learning how to build cross-platform applications. To get the most out of this course. Before you start this course, some experience of the Dart language will be beneficial, along with experience in working on Android, iOS, or any mobile development framework. Finally, a familiarity with object-oriented languages, such as Java and C++, and some knowledge of OOPs would be extremely useful. Topics covered. Introducing Flutter. It covers a brief introduction to Flutter and how this course is going to serve you as a guide for learning cross-platform application development with Flutter. We will then move on to where and how Flutter originated. Then, before moving on to why Flutter is a good option, we will take a look at where Flutter fits in with the existing world of mobile application development. Getting started with Flutter. It covers the installation of the tools needed to use Flutter and gets readers familiar with IDE, as well as looking at hot reload, one of the best features in Flutter. We will then learn about two principal concepts that are required in every application development workflow: debugging and testing. Widgets. It goes through the widget catalog and explains how to create custom widgets. We will then learn how to route and navigate through these widgets. Exploiting the widgets variety. It explores the constraints in Flutter and provides an introduction to animations in Flutter. We will then learn how to use list view and scrolling widgets, and, at the end, we will be introduced to silvers. Widening our Flutter horizons. It explains how networking plays an important role in the apps, along with sample code for setting up and running a server for fetching JSON code. This section will be followed by an understanding of why accessibility is important and what improvements can developers bring to support accessibility in the app. The following section is about app support internationalization. Using a platform to power Flutter apps. It explains how to include packages in the Flutter code, followed by how to include platform-specific channels to support Flutter code. We will then use the Battery Manager API to understand the battery state of the Android phone. We will cover some of the best tips to consider before building our own plugin, followed by how to publish your own plugin on the Flutter pub site. Firebase. It examines how Firebase can help us build apps quicker using the Firestore cloud database. We will also take a look at an example that captured list view using the Firestore cloud database. And finally, we will discuss some of the use cases as regards using the remote config for your apps. Deploying Flutter apps. It covers how to deploy and publish the Android and iOS app on the respective stores. These are some of the apps built using Flutter. Yours can be the next. What are you waiting for? Enroll now to this amazing course to skyrocket your mobile app development skills. For any queries, WhatsApp on the given number. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Vector Academy, to stay updated on amazing courses on trending technologies. Thanks for your time.